Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents using Adobe Fill and Sign. This incredible tool simplifies the process of adding your signature to any PDF document, saving you time and hassle. First, ensure you have the Adobe Fill and Sign application open on your computer or smartphone. Then, locate and open the specific PDF file you wish to sign, preparing your document for the next steps. Now, let's create your unique digital signature for the document. Look for the sign icon, which usually resembles a pen nib, located on the toolbar. When prompted, you will have the choice to add signature or add initials. You can either type your name and select a font style, or use your mouse or touchscreen to draw your actual signature. Take your time to make it look just right, ensuring it accurately represents your physical signature. Once your signature is created, it will be instantly available for placement on your document. Simply click on the area where the signature needs to go, and it will appear there. You will notice small corners or handles around the signature, allowing you to drag and resize it to fit perfectly within any line or box. You can also click and drag the entire signature to precisely reposition it anywhere on the page, ensuring professional placement. Many documents require more than just a signature. They often need dates, names, or other specific information. Adobe Fill and Sign provides an add text tool, which allows you to type directly onto the PDF. Just click the text tool, then click where you want the text to appear, and start typing your information. Similarly, if only initials are needed, you can use the Add Initials option and place them just like your full signature, ensuring all fields are complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.